All right, what I got here today is my Husqvarna LGT 2654 riding lawnmower, and the steering has always been really hard. I think that this particular model or this size mower, it seems to be not engineered properly, so the steering is real hard. There's so much weight in the front end, and what I'm going to do today is install a little cheater here, spindle bearings that I'm going to put in here, and which should really improve the steering, ease of the steering for sure. Pretty simple way of making it a lot easier to steer. And we're going to go through the steps here. I'll put a link so you know how to get a hold of these things, but these particular ones will fit mine, and we're going to go ahead and dig in. First thing we're going to do is we're going to remove this cap here. Just going to clean the grease up now so I can find that clip that holds all this together. Just got to take this snap ring off. Steering will just come right down. So we got the snap ring, and there's a washer underneath that. Just want to get all these things cleaned up good. Get all that excess grease off. Then you want to go ahead and clean this up down here too on the bottom. Get all that old crappy grease out of there. Grass buildup, whatever's down there. Now we're going to put her back together. So what you do is you want to put one washer down, and then these needle bushings, put that down, and then your washer on top. Put all that down first. Then you want to put your other washer that originally came with it, put that down on top of all that. Then go ahead and slide it back in. That is not good. I think I'm going to need some extra parts. May have to finish this another day. That bushing is completely shot. Yeah, I'm going to stop right here for today, and I'm going to order this piece right here, and then I will resume once I get the parts, because I'm not going to put this together with this looking like this. So we're going to wait, and we'll be right back. So I did order new ones, and that's what I was waiting for here. I got new ones. And once we get it up here like this, we throw another washer on the top, and then we'll go ahead and put that clip back in the top here, the very top. There. Actually, it went pretty good. It's hard to see out here with the way the lighting is, the bright sun. We'll go ahead and throw some grease in there. And this Zerks Perfect. Now on to the other side. So I got them done, put back in place. The only thing left to do is give her a test drive and see if I can tell the difference.